what's needed for the child, especially in a divorce, you can actually just go get data on that. One of the sources where you can go get data is actually on your court site. So go whichever county you're in, figure out what the family court is within your county is really helpful to get that data and understand that when that term is used, especially in creating a parenting agreement and being able to flush it out, you now know how to work with your intuition, your values, the data that exists. Maybe they all align, and then that gives you what you need to move forward. Maybe they don't align, and then that gives you some information to figure out, now how do I want to tackle this? It's not either or. You can use your values and your intuition, and you can also just go get the data and now figure out all the different pieces that you're working with. How do you want to take that next step? The other great reminder about this scenario is just what's normal. What's normal around you isn't necessarily what's normal in other contexts. And so what's normal also might not be what's right. Gather your data and gather data that you trust from reputable sources. For this instance, if the situation is a divorce and putting something in a parenting agreement and it involves a legal process, the reputable sources would something like the family court. I would not go onto like parenting blogs and now use that as rationale for data, especially when you go to information on a different state that isn't relevant data for this type of situation. Trust your data, trust your instincts, and then you use both together to figure out how do you want to proceed forward.